So hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasda Education. So in this video I am going to discuss about the priority table to determine the oxidation number. Okay, so let's get started. So here it is the priority table. Okay, and this priority table contains some of the elements. Okay, and their corresponding oxidation state, and this column contains the remarks or the exceptional case. Okay, so this is a very interesting table. So let's see the use of this table. Okay, so these are the serial number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, and these are the elements. Okay, so serial number 1 contains the element fluorine. Okay, and the oxidation state of the fluorine is -1. Okay, and the remark says that the oxidation state of fluorine is always -1. Okay, it has no exception. Okay, then serial number 2 contains the element alkali metals. Okay, alkali metals means sodium, potassium, lithium, rubidium, cesium, etc. Okay, and their oxidation state is +1. Okay, and this is also always. Okay, the alkali metals always have a oxidation state of +1. Okay, similarly in serial number 3 these are the alkaline earth metals. Okay, that means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, etc. Okay, and their oxidation state is +2 and it is also always. Okay, the alkaline earth metals has always a oxidation state of +2. Now serial number 5 is the element aluminium, and aluminium has also the oxidation state of +3 and it is also always. Okay, and then comes the element silver, whose oxidation state is +1 and it is also always. Okay, so these are the elements. Okay, they have fixed oxidation state. Okay, with no exception these elements have always oxidation state of this. Okay, with no exception. Okay, fluorine has always oxidation state of -1. Alkali metals like sodium, potassium, lithium, rubidium, cesium has a oxidation state of +1 and it is also always. Similarly, alkaline earth metals have oxidation state of +2. It is also always. Okay, aluminum has a oxidation state of +3. It is always. Similarly, silver has a oxidation state of +1. It is also always. Okay, these elements has no exception. Okay, now next comes the element hydrogen. Okay, and hydrogen has a oxidation state +1. It is generally when hydrogen is bonded with metal, it has oxidation state of -1, and with non-metal, it has a oxidation state of +1. Okay, here it is for the oxygen and sulfur. Oxygen and sulfur has oxidation state of -2 in oxide and sulfide respectively. Okay, but in case of oxygen, peroxide case, the oxidation state is -1. For example, H2O2, Na2O2, etc. Okay, in case of superoxide, the oxidation state of oxygen is -1/2. Okay, for example, KO2. In case of ozonide like KO3, the oxidation state of oxygen is -1/3. Okay, so the oxygen has a variable oxidation state. So it can be either -1, -2, -1/2, -1/3. Okay, anything. Okay, next comes the element like chlorine, bromine, iodine. They have a general oxidation state of -1, but their oxidation number can also be +1, +3, +5, +7, etc. Okay. So this is the overall priority table. Okay. So this is the priority order. Okay. We have to assign the oxidation number to this element in this order. Okay. So first of all we have to find the fluorine. Okay. If we get the fluorine, then immediately we have to assign this fluorine to -1. Okay. Then we have to find out okay, these elements. Okay, sodium, potassium, lithium, rubidium, cesium. Then we have to go for the elements like beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, rhodium. Okay. Then we have to go for aluminium, then silver, then hydrogen, then oxygen or sulfur, then chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. In this order we have to go through. Okay. So let's see an example. Okay. Let's say I have a compound like Na2O2. Okay, and I want the oxidation state of oxygen in this compound. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to follow this priority table. Alright. Here it is the priority table. First I have to check these elements. Okay. In this order I have to check these elements. First I have to check fluorine is present or not. If I found fluorine, then I immediately have to assign oxidation state -1. Then I have to search these elements. Okay, sodium, potassium. If I found these elements, then immediately I assign them +1. And alkaline earth metal I have to assign +2. Aluminium I have to assign +3. Ag I have to assign +1 oxidation state. Okay, this is the priority order. In this order I have to assign the oxidation state to these elements. Okay. So here it is the compound is Na2O2. Okay. Our priority order says that first I have to give oxidation number to fluorine. Okay. Then alkali metal, then alkaline earth metal, then aluminium. Okay. Then Ag. Okay. Fluorine I have to assign oxidation state of -1, alkaline alkali metal to +1. Okay. Alkaline earth metal +2. Then aluminium I have to assign +3. Ag I have to assign +1. Okay. Then hydrogen, then oxygen, then chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. This is the priority order. Okay. So I have to search the element in this order. Okay. So here it contains the sodium. Okay. And the sodium is nothing but a alkali metal. Okay. So whenever I see alkali metal, then immediately I have to assign the oxidation state how much? +1. Okay. So I assign this sodium to +1. So it will be 2 + 1 into, let's say the oxidation state of oxygen is X. So it will be 2 into +1 plus 2 into X is equal to 0. So from this X equal to how much? -1. Okay. So I have to always follow this priority order, and then I have to find out the oxidation state. Okay. Let's say I want to find out the oxidation state of oxygen in H2O2. Okay. So which element comes first in this priority table? So hydrogen comes first. Okay. And hydrogen is the oxidation state of +1. So I have to first assign oxidation state to hydrogen, then I have to assign the oxidation number to the oxygen. Okay. So it will be again 2 into +1 plus 2 into X is equal to 0. From this I can find out X to be equal to -1. Okay. So in this way we can find out the oxidation number by following this priority table. Okay. So have a look at this priority table once again. You have to search the elements in this order, okay. Whenever you find out any of these elements, then you have to assign the oxidation number in this order, okay. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching this video.